Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. A few members who doesn't know about our MST iCore 2.0 indicator had asked me, what is this MST iCore 2.0? This MST iCore 2.0 is a premium indicator available in the TradingView platform on a subscription basis. This is not the free indicator, it is available on monthly or yearly subscription basis. Now, how it works? This is not the repainting indicator. Whenever it has plotted the lines, the line will not get changed for lifetime. So whatever is the line drawn, that will be there forever. So this is not the repainting indicator. Then what else we can expect from this indicator? This indicator has many features. It has many features in addition to showing the trend of the market. That is the first one. It will show the trend of the market. Then you can select the different time frame for the trading. You can use different calculation method for getting the buy and sell entry lines. Then you can use in different timing. You can use at lunchtime, evening, night. You can trade in advance. Suppose say today you are going to trade. Yesterday itself you can decide at what price I'm going to buy, at what price I'm going to sell. So all these are possible. The next one, you can decide what SL I have to keep. Should I keep very tiny SL or tiny SL or small SL or normal SL or big SL? Depending upon the script what you are selecting, you can choose the SL calculation method. Similarly for the targets also. Then our main picture comes to play here. There will be four lines will be formed. By default, the four lines are enabled here. MST first buy entry, sell entry, second buy entry, and second sell entry. So by default, these four lines will be drawn once the market has opened. In addition, we have another support and resistance zone. This we call it a support and resistance zone. So the resistance zone will be helpful to find out the reversal area for the sell entry. Similarly, the first one will be able to get the reversal area for the buy entry. Again, we have one more facility, that is a breakout strategy. Many people are interested in finding out the breakout. Suppose say 9:15 to 9:30 high and low. So it will be marked automatically by using this software. So here you have to go session high, you have to select, then come down and you have to select the session center. Then you can select the session low. Okay, so now if you are doing all these things, now automatically the session high and low will be formed, and based on the breakout method what you are following, that will be used here. Then what else we have? We have previous day close. So all the options we have given here to find the positional trend. Then first sell SL, first buy SL. So all the SL we have given. Then extra targets we have given. Then yesterday we have added one more extra features, that is it will show the buy and sell signal. It will literally will be mentioned where to buy and where to sell. See here, according to this, at this candle, that is 8 o'clock candle, we got sell entry got activated and we got very good profit. And before that itself, with our default trading, we got buy entry and we have got all the targets achieved. So now coming back to our basics of system. What is the basic system? The basic system will be, we have to keep it in default settings every day. Before you start trading in the market, what you have to do? Keep in default settings and give OK. Assume that market has just to open now. I will show you how to trade now. Assume that market has just to open for the 4th August. For yesterday, I am showing. For yesterday, I am showing the result today. So now we got four lines got formed, right? Now, if the market is going first to the upper side, we will be selling, sell at 7306. If the market is coming down to 7177, we will be buying. So whichever comes first, only that side we have to trade, other side we have to ignore. Don't forget. Now coming back to our system. Now it is playing. So let us see what has happened. I will increase the speed. If sell activated, there is no buy. If buy activated, there is no sell for the safe traders. If you want to trade again and again, it is your wish. You can trade as per your risk appetite. So it came near to our buy entry, but our buy entry is missed by how many points? 7216 is the entry. Around 20 points we have difference. So buy is not activated. So here high made 7296. Yeah, now perfectly cell got activated. See here, perfectly cell got activated. So come to the settings. Since cell activated, what you have to do? Remove the buy entry, enable the first cell targets, enable second buy and second cell targets. Why we are enabling second buy and second cell targets? Because we don't know where the market will go. Right? As per the software, the cell got activated. We are ready with the cell entry. And immediately our first target also hit. See here, immediately in 2 to 3 candles, our first target is hit. If target is not hit, SL will be hit. If SL hit, we have to go here reversal entry, at least with one lot, so that your loss will be recovered on the same day. Now again I am playing. So it is nearing to our second target. Second target is hit. Coming to third target also hit. That's all. Our trading got over here itself. Now, if you want to know the extra targets, so the market is going beyond our level, right? Now, to know the extra targets, we have given the option either to increase the target size, like here, you can increase the target size, like big targets, right? So the big, all the big targets also achieved, or you can increase to big two targets. So almost all the big two targets also achieved. So the low made 6971 and our lead and our last target of big two target is 6962. So almost all the targets have been achieved. If you don't want to add big two targets, then you come here, you just keep it in small targets, and here you can enable first cell target 4. Okay, first cell target 4 and enable it. Next one, come here, enable first cell target 5 and enable IIT pivot point 2, and come down, enable first cell target 6, enable IIT pivot point 3, and first cell target 7, enable IIT 4, and enable first cell target 8, enable IIT 5, and first cell target 9 and enable IIT 6. So this also done. So I will go with one more one, that is IIT 7 for IAS target 10. So we have given 10 targets both the side. See the perfection from 73062 to 6984. So all the targets have been achieved perfectly. All the targets have been achieved. We got perfect entry and perfect close also. From top to bottom, we got the profit. So this is how we have to trade. But you may ask the question, is it possible to capture all the points? Yes, certainly it is not possible. Then how to do? Once your first target is achieved, keep your stop loss to cost to cost. Then keep revising your stop loss. So whatever the maximum profit you are getting, that is with you. Don't forget to trail your stop loss. That's all. This is how we have to trade. This is very, 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 very easier to trade. Similarly, for other scripts also, same thing have happened. Either it will be activated sell entry or buy entry. If whichever side activates first, that side we have to trade. And other side, if SL hit, you have to trade. That's all. If you're not subscribed to our indicator, please subscribe. Also, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and Telegram channel for the free updates. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.